whoa, where are you going?
I told you I'm gonna cook outside.
Cook outside, it's raining.
I don't care that it's raining. We live in the Pacific Northwest. It's gonna rain. And I've wanted to do this all week. So, I'm cooking outside.
Man, stubborn tonight.
Not stubborn tonight, stubborn all the time.
Okay, what are we having?
We are having chicken adobo tacos.
Oh, I love those.
I know. I stumbled upon this by accident, actually, and kind of like it. I'm gonna make it again.
Okay, so what's first?
Well, I'm gonna marinate it for about half an hour, and then we'll go ahead and cook it just like how we do with chicken adobo. And then we're gonna shred it and make it into tacos. You'll see, it's good. Chicken adobo is kind of like a comfort food. It's a Filipino dish, and I discovered it one time. A girlfriend made it for me, and I loved it. She made it on her boat, and it just consists of soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, ground pepper, and garlic. I use skin on, bone on chicken thighs, and that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Well, okay, so you're gonna marinate it overnight?
No, I'm gonna marinate for about 20 minutes.
Oh, good.
20-30 minutes, and then we're gonna get cooking.
Sounds delicious.
What I'm doing now is just cutting up the excess and trimming up the excess skin. You don't need all of that. I just like to have a little bit up on top, and then we'll toss it in the marinade. All done. Marinade's done. Now I'm gonna drop the chicken thighs in there and let it just marinate for about 20 minutes.
Oh, you're serious? You are going outside?
I told you that I'm gonna do it.
Okay, it's still raining out here.
I don't care. It's been a crappy winter. And then when I say that summer's here, summer's here.
It's drizzle and 59 out here.
So what? It's not freezing. I don't care if I have to wear foul gear. We're gonna do this.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Today I'm gonna cook everything in a Dutch oven. So while this is heating up, I'm gonna show you the marinade. Looks pretty good.
It smells pretty good.
Yeah, and it only took 20 minutes. Okay, so the Dutch oven is warm enough, so I'm gonna just add a little oil, and it's time to sear the chicken. And I'm making chicken adobo. Okay, so I browned everything. I'm putting the rest of the chicken back into the pot. Now I can crowd it. Add all the juices in there. And then put the rest of the marinade in. which is right here. Get all the bits in there. And then I'm going to add a little water. Just so almost like we're covering it, and I'm going to braise it.
You guys calm down over here.
Yeah, get this.
Getting his energy out.
Yep. It's a good thing.
So we're halfway through the braising process. The wind kind of slows it down a little bit. But at this point, I do like to add some sliced scallions. And I kind of do a rough chop. And some onions as well. And I'll toss that in. I don't like to overcook them, which is why I put it in halfway through the cooking process. So while it continues braising, I am going to do my toppings, which I already have the spring mix, which consists of the usual green onions, and cilantro. And then I'm going to I'm going to mince up some cabbage. And I like the cabbage on top just because it has a little crunch and has a little brightness to it.
And what's a taco without cabbage?
Right. Let's check out how it's looking.
Oh, I'll tell you how it's smelling. That does smell amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah. Needs a couple more minutes. It's pretty tender, but it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so we've been braising for quite a while now, and I think it's done. Next thing that we do is, it's a little liquidy right now, so I'm gonna just take the lid off and just let it reduce until it gets really nice and thick and saucy.
Is that for me? Hey, 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 hey! Where's mine?
So good. I have to test this first. You wanna try it?
I do.
It's actually really good.
Hot. Hot. Mmm. That is good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Man! Just non-stop today, isn't
Wild day
it?
today.
They're getting annoying today, aren't they?
Nothing is getting in the way of my cooking. Okay, so it's taking a little bit longer, and I don't want to overcook the chicken. So I'm going to take this out and
Just muscle through the seaplane noise.
yeah, just muscle through it and reduce the sauce so then it gets really thickened.
Oh,
Whew, it looks
you
so
teased me
good.
with that little bite. I want another one.
Not yet. So at this point, I have deboned the chicken and reduced the sauce. You can serve this over rice at this point and have a delicious meal. But we're gonna kick it up a notch and do some chicken adobo street tacos. all crispy. Okay, toasting up all nice and crisp.
So what are you doing there?
Just adding a little bit of the sauce.
Oh, it's starting to just smell amazing.
Right? You ready to eat?
I am. What's next?
Now I'm just gonna get the tortillas ready and we are all set.
Let's plate this up. I'm hungry.
So am I.